Hi, this is Kapil Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. And this video is in two parts, part 1 and part 2. And last time around I was not able to properly do the running commentary of the game. So what I have done this time around is I have just recorded the game and done a voiceover on both the parts, part 1 and part 2. And that's the reason we are able to at least reach up to level 28. That is the secret, guys. So sorry guys. So if you like this game, like this video, press the like button. Do share this video to all the people as far as much as possible. Also feel free to comment in the comment section below any other games, or do you want us to continue this game? I don't know. Puneet said we have till level 31 and then again part 2 stage 1 comes in with more difficulty. So if you want to see those, I'll try to record the game, and I tried a voiceover on it as I did not want any kind of copyright because of the game's music. So I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell notification, a bell icon for latest update of notification or latest videos, updates of latest videos, and you will be the first one. You will be the first one to get notified the latest videos. Thank you guys. Hope you watched the entire video. I may not give the outro. Bye. Hi, this is Battle City Stage 1 and I'm trying to tell you about the game. This time around, myself and my younger brother Puneet, we both tried to play the game instead of doing a running commentary. This was a timer, guys. See, for some time that those tanks from the opposite side are freezed for some time, limited time. So we'll tell you about this is the stage 1, simple one. And normally stage up to 1, 2, 3, stages or 3 stages. This is a shield. That is a shield, guys. Right over here where I'm going to take, I suppose. Yes, rather I'm more, yeah. Now I take the shield. See, this is a shield. So once I take the shield, I'll not be having any kind of fear for some time. Now this is a shovel. So even if they fire, now see, there is a protective this thing on the before this thing, and we have cleared the stage. This is stage 1. Player 1 is Puneet, player 2 is myself. I am just doing a supportive role in couple of stages. Most of the stages I am doing this. Here we paused just because, see, this one tank is being spawned right in the center. There are 19 tanks on the right of their screen, and 1P2, that is 3 life total. One is being spawned over here on the left of the screen, and second player also, my life is being spawned, a green tank. Puneet has a yellow tank. Flag shows the stage, so we are in the second stage. 19 tanks on the right screen. See, there is one minus, another tank being spawned on the screen. The main motto, as you have already seen one of my earlier videos, last video I suppose, I'll give the link in the description, in the I box. Over in that game, I was like, I was trying to play as well as record as well as do the running commentary. This time around, I just played the game. This is a life, guys. See, Puneet's life has increased. It was 2 earlier. Now, after taking this life, that has become 3. So in this way, you just have to clear only 4. See, now 3 tanks are remaining because 4th one has been spawned. This is shovel again. See that it becomes, I think the stones or bricks becomes very metallic. Now we are just doing time pass, that is it. like unnecessary firing. See, he has already, since there are two players, you get bonus. If you play single player, you won't get bonus because it is your, we have again paused this both the times in stage 2 and stage 3 starting. We paused because not just, not to plan a strategy or something. See, I died and like one life wasted. This is a shield again, so he has no threat from the enemy tanks. He can simply just stand in front of them and still his life won't be wasted, or his chance won't be wasted. Over here I am trying to take a control. This is my one of my favorite levels. Now this is the timer again. See, that gets spawned but it is not moving. It cannot move for some time. This is only for certain time, not for the complete game, only for some time. Now you will see tanks moving, and this blinking pink tank, if we kill those, destroy those, you get some powers. Like this is a star power which I collected, due to which it increases the firing power but not the tanking power, guys. This is the mistake which Puneet made, or I also agreed on it, but after some playing and some practice, we came to know that we had made a mistake. So that's the reason I apologize, and I also do. That's the reason. That is one of the reason. Again, the timer. See, that just got froze, or it is frozen, freeze. So it's like gets time is got frozen for them, not for us. We can move around, we can hit. So it's only for a short period of time. Another timer, guys. I took it, so they are gonna go freeze again. So basically there is a shield, there is a shovel, there is a timer, there is a bomb, and there is a life along with star. Star is like it increases the firepower. This is a bomb, guys. Now I could not show you. Oh, he lost a life. I don't know, this was a technical glitch or it is a part of a game. When these kind of tankers just run over you or even just touch, you lose a life. Even if you have star powers, like so many star powers, because star powers just give this thing. I mean, firing speed increases, and it also increases your bullet cuts through the metal. That is it, nothing else. See, this is the star power which I take, and yes, see, the nozzle is changed, and now firing speed is changed. Also, I think I can cut through the metal as well. That is the reason. This is a bomb. I don't know, this over here, it was a coincidence that he fired and I also took the bomb. So I don't know. This was a little confusion. So we normally, one is the aggressor, one is the supporter. After you take these things, like like it gives the little protection to our, I don't know, we should call it as a king or the bird or the eagle, or I am actually absolutely don't know. This is an interesting level, guys. We normally mess up over here a little, because see, now over here, initially I asked Puneet, he said no, I don't want star power, so I took another one. Now see, even the normal firing is like I am cutting the metals. There is a center protection through a metal, so we are not bothered much. Now I asked my brother to take it. He initially like okay, and then he was like, wait, let me fire and then go take control. And he went down and took it. And now I am again slowly giving the controls to him. He normally likes to be the aggressor, at least in games. Taken the shovel, and that is the end of stage 6. Puneet's score is 23,800. My score is 12,000 only. Once you cross 20,000, guys, first time, I don't know when you get the another life, but if your score crosses more than 20,000, you get an extra life. And I think I missed that part. This is a life, guys. See, there is a tank. That means it's a life. First, we initially was like, no, you take it, no, you take it. But then later on, I took it. See, that is the way. and I got 500 points as well. Now this is a shovel which gives a metallic protection to that bird or king, eagle, whatever that is. You just have to protect that. Either it is single player or double player. Like in multiplayer, you can only 2 players can play. Now this is a timer. See, that has been paused or frozen. Easy peasy. That's the end of the stage 7. So he's 28,000. I am 13,900. He got 1,000 bonus. So it was with 27,000 then. This is a real difficult stage, guys. We were not able to get any kind of strategy, any kind of plans, this thing. Another bomb. See, this is the advantage of taking bombs. It clears, sorry guys, it clears all the tanks which are being spawned are alive. They are all being destroyed by these bombs. This is the strategy which we should follow for next time around for this stage. Here Puneet is going for star power and I took the control because right over there it's clear if they start firing straight down, our eagle or king would die and then the game would be over. And this is just a part 1. Stay tuned for the part 2. This is the where I am taking the lead. Not much. He has destroyed 8 tanks. I have destroyed 9. But still I have destroyed more, so that I got the bonus. And now we are deciding what strategy to be used. But he says, okay, you just control in that fashion and I'll control in this fashion. Like that means he'll look after vertical firing and I'll look after the horizontal firing. But that is still a loophole which they might exploit if they come through the center. Now see, once it's the timer, they have been frozen. Puneet goes very aggressive because the situation is under control and we have cleared stage 9. He has 4 lives with 34,900 points and bonus, so 35. This is the way. This is the very tricky as well. I love this map. I don't know why. I love this designer. I love this map. Over here, we were like initially trying to talk to each other because if I fire through the water or if he fires through the water, that may put us into the trouble. Because if his bullet touches me, then I will be stuck for some time, like the timer for the opposite tanks. So that may cause me a trouble because of this is a bomb again, yes. And completed stage 10. As of now, the last time around we played was the highest score of 43,500. As of now, Puneet is 38,000, I suppose. And we have continued the game. This is the game. This is the stage 11, where timer. I think Puneet takes this timer and then he just cleans the. See, he just goes so aggressive because he knows these are the few precious seconds where he needs to take control of the situation. This is the life, and I am just because of I wanted to take an extra life, I lost one, so it's of no use. But still, we cleared this stage. This is a bomb again, and he wanted to kill and take 500 points. So he first killed the tank and then took the 500 points. In this way, please stay tuned for the part 2 as well. I'll be coming up with this.